Alright guys, this is just a quick Universal update video. Today is a Saturday in September. It is the first day that the 2 Universal mazes that were supposed to be for Horror Nights are open. Currently they are at capacity, but I was able to get a virtual line for not just one, but both of them in morning times. I was in Islands of Adventure before the park opened because there was an hour early admission for pass holders, and so I got to enjoy Spider-Man. And here's the thing, I'm looking at this. If I turn around the camera, you'll see choke points are getting kind of bad right now. There's not a ton of social distancing around choke points, and outdoor rides are using every row. They're still doing 1 party per row from what I've heard. However, they are filling every row now, so do keep that in mind when you go. So here, I'll turn around this camera. You'll see here's the entrance to one of the houses, and a little bit of a choke point here with people standing around trying to figure out the virtual lines. But it's actually not as bad as it seems from farther down. It looks like this is a new rest area here.
Wear your mask at all times. Wear your mask at all times.
Sensitivity to fog or strobe effects, recent surgeries, early
So I'm now waiting in line for the first house, and there's really not much else I need to talk about other than the fact that I am seeing a small amount of people wearing face masks that are not permitted, including ones with poles, bandanas, gaiters, and in some cases I've seen people wearing shields and no masks at all, and the team members don't seem to really care too much to actually enforce the rules that are stated on their website. So I would not necessarily recommend coming on a weekend to Universal, unfortunately.